Okay, so what you need to do is this one here. What we are aiming for is, let this be u. This one is u. Okay, this should be your u. So u is sine 2x plus cosine 2x. Okay, so just try. This is du dx will just be 2 cosine 2x minus 2 sine 2x. You see that you can cancel the one on top. It's actually a multiple of the one on top. So you must be able to eyeball and see which is a derivative. Then you could do it. So du dx, so this would be u sine 2x minus cos 2x. So du, this would be 2 cos 2x minus 2 sine 2x. Okay, so just careful when you cancel. So it's not as easy as you think. The 2 can bring it out. Maybe I should just do this out. Sine 2x minus 2. This will cancel with this one here. And you get minus half. This is minus half ln sine 2x. There you go. Question please ask.